Ulefone Armor 11 5G Review. Rugged smartphone with night vision camera. Is Ulefone taking a step back here? At first glance, the Ulefone Armor 11 looks like a leap into the past. Instead of the more modern, punch-hole optics a la Samsung, there is now the drop notch at the top of the display. The screen edges have not necessarily become thinner either, and all four corners have been chamfered instead of being modernly rounded. The Armor 11 5G features a 6.1-inch water-op display guaranteeing an immersive visual experience. The beast boasts a massive 5200 mAh battery, so you shouldn't have to worry more about the battery getting over so soon. Needless to say, it does offer features like a quad navigation system, NFC, fingerprint and face biometric authentication, etc. The mobile is equipped with MediaTek's first 5G system chip, the 8-core MediaTek Dimensity 800, one of the chip maker's most powerful products on the market. So we can't complain about the speed, nor can the included 8GB of LPDDR4 memory, and 256GB of UFS 2.1 internal storage. The Armor 11, of course, has the same standards as previous Ulefone rugged phones, and is water, shock, and dust resistant thanks to its IP68 IP69 properties. Its appearance is much more modern than previous Armor phones, not so robust, yet resistant. On the front panel is a 6.1-inch HE+ 720x1560 resolution IPS display protected by Gorilla Glass. The resolution is eye-catching for many. The HE+ resolution is really a step backwards from the previous Armor 10 smartphone, which had a 6.67 size with FHE+ resolution. The advantage of the smaller display is in the size, 163,8 x 81.6 x 14.1 mm. In the upper left part of the back cover is the camera system, which is especially good. I highlight this because, in general, rugged phone manufacturers save a lot of time on the camera so that they can still offer their devices at a reasonable price. The Ulefone Armor 11 features a total of 5 cameras in a RAW, a 48MP main camera, with a Sony IMX582 sensor, a special 20 megapixel R night vision camera, a 13MP ultra-wide angle, a 2MP macro, and an 2MP subcamera unit. The 20 megapixel night vision camera uses 2 infrared LEDs on the back that are invisible to the human eye to create images and videos. With the help of the night vision unit, we can take worthy pictures even in complete darkness. Sure, the needle-sharp images in the promotional photos feel a little exaggerated, but they are definitely good at showing you what kind of grayscale images can be taken with a night vision camera. Thank you for watching Best Buy. Please subscribe for more informative videos.